Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for renewable energy business. Suppose as the owner of renewable energy business, I use WhatsApp chatbot. When customers send a message, the AI assistant automatically answering the queries and sharing details. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for your renewable energy business. So we are already set up AI instructions. Now we simply open our WhatsApp dashboard and see how it responds and type I need help. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. I am here to help. Could you please share a bit more about what you need assistance with? For example, are you looking for information about installing a renewable energy system, troubleshooting an existing setup, applying for government subsidies, or something else? Let me know how I can assist you best. Now I am typing information about installing a renewable energy system. After typing, I am getting another response. Now I am typing applying for government subsidies. After typing, I am getting another response. So you will see I am getting one by one responses. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we simply click on AI assistant. After clicking, we have an interface like this. Now we simply click on add AI assistant. After clicking, we have an option assistant name. Now I'm writing assistant name, AI assistant for your renewable energy business. Now we simply click on add AI assistant. After clicking, we have an interface like this. Now we simply select AI instructions, AI agent. After selecting AI agent, they are providing me instructions. Now we have an option AI configuration. In this we select the temperature 0.5 for better clearance. Now we select OpenAI and select the model GPT 4.1. After that we have an option API token. Now we generate the API token. Simply click on OpenAI. After clicking, we have an option like this and simply click on create new secret key and write a name, renewable energy business, and project type. Select default project and click on create secret key. Now we are generating API token. Simply click on copy and paste in our API token section and click on connect. After clicking connect, we have an pop-up message OpenAI key saved successfully. Now we have an option AI assistant settings, header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt, and fallback message. So we keep all these toggle button off except fallback message. Now we have an option knowledge source. Now we simply upload the knowledge source in the txt format. So we are successfully added our knowledge source. What is knowledge source? Knowledge source is the providing the information of our company and helps user to answer according to their queries. Now we have an option assistant interface. Now we enter header display heading name renewable energy business, and here you see also changes in this section. Now we have an option initial message, display the powered by Pabbly label. In this we have an option enable or disable. We keep as it is. Now we have an option footer text, footer link, user first message. Now we have an option styling. Here we also change according to our requirements. Theme mode light and dark. Now we keep light theme, assistant shape, assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button color, header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. If you want to changes according to your needs, you can easily do. Now we simply click on toggle button and save AI assistant. So we are successfully create our AI assistant. Now if you want to embed AI assistant on your website, simply click on embed and copy this code and simply paste on your website. So we are successfully creating AI assistant for our renewable energy business. Now we simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and test is it working or not. Now I'm typing, hey, can you provide me details? After typing, you will see I'm getting a response. So we are successfully creating AI assistant for our renewable energy business. Now if you have any query, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.